This is Old Man PHP. I create PHP video tutorials for the old guys who want to learn a new skill and compete with the young crowd. This is video number 94F. And what I want to do is just talk about the constructors and the destructors again. But before we do that, I want to show you that, see this website here? Even though I've showed you how to do a template, I'm going to show you how to make this one too. I think I probably showed you that already. I also want to show you this one. Plus, I want to show you how to do an awesome list, right? I also want to show you this, like for restaurants. I won't show you the actual connection using the API, like to connect to a register, but I'll show you how to get this done. And then there's a church membership. I'll show you how to get that done, and the dashboard that comes with it. Plus, I want to show you, I know this is what we're going to be doing today, but I want to show you, let's see this one. Oh, we did that already. I want to show you the book, how you could do a book your appointment thing, an inventory system, and of course the stuff here, which we're going to go now. Now, a constructor is a magical method. Remember we talked about that? That has the two underscores and the work. Let me write this down. How about if we put this not here? We'll put it here. I took the liberty of adding this so we can put it on there. Okay. So let's do this. I'm going to write. And the reason why I'm doing this is because this whole thing, once it's done, your OOP, I'll have it on the first one, on the first OOP video to, I guess it will be G, the last one. So each of those videos, A, B, C, D, F, will have this whole full document in the description below. So let's do this. So I just want to give you this. I want to say, okay, I want to say constructor is a magic method. And it's, I'm going to show you anyway, but I'll give it to you like this anyway. Construct. You've seen this already several times, but I guess I just have to show you just that. Alright, let's see. Let me see. Magic method construct that is automatically. What do we say? That is automatically. Yeah, that is automatically executed. I already told you this. When an object is instantiated. Okay. I'm going to split it up over here. Then we'll say, what should we say? It is like used to initialize. I already set these things already. An object properties. Oops, I have to put what is it? This one? To back? Forward. Give me a second, guys. Are we sure? Why is it good? Yeah. Alright, so we're going to do that. And then, of course, the same thing with the destructor. So we're going to say destructor is a, let's write this whole thing. We just change some good things. We'll say destructor here, destruct. There's also a background when, okay, when an object is destroyed. Excuse me. When an object is destroyed, meaning that you're done with it. Destroyed. All the script. Say, I think we have bugs. It is often used to perform see, I'm showing people how to do these things for free because I was looking at some Udemy. I belong to Udemy, but I haven't been in there for a long time. So then I went and looked and I'm like, wait a minute. I see they charge you, 50 to 100, depends on the course and all. And I guess if I would have to put this in Udemy, I would charge $50, $100 maybe for this whole thing, because I'm showing you how to do these things. Because I looked at some of them and they break it down, and then when you get to the actual course part, especially like the used ones, like what is that? I'm sorry, the YouTube ones. They got you get excited, you look, oh, let me see. When you get to the end, they only give you pieces of it, and if you need to see the rest of that, you have to go to Udemy. I'm giving it to you completely. I might do some few other things like dealing with artificial intelligence. I'll definitely give you free stuff, definitely, and I probably will create the Udemy course. I do have to make some fatalities. So, I don't know, to perform a cleanup task. So let's do one. Let's say, again, class, we're going to use product again. Should just copy from over there. Anytime. And I would like to say, let me see what I'm going to say. I'm going to say that public dollar runtime equals 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, maybe 3. See what I'm trying to do here. Runtime slash 2 because I'm going to try it. Okay, we'll do that. And then we'll use the deviation. And then I will do public for dollar run. Let's write this down. For, let's see, equals time. Remember the time? Using the object time. And of course, let me see. And let's do one for sorry guys, I'm sorry. I'm gonna say other underscore var. I just want to show you. Oh yeah, I think maybe what I'm trying to do here is, how about if we do this? We do, let's say, first one would be, what is that going to? Let's write this stuff down. Property can be assigned. Obviously, everybody knows that already. I hope. Values. Constants. No constants can't be changed. Okay, we could do that. How about this one? Should we do? Let's see. We're going to say values from a runtime function or another property. Let's just go there. Okay, we should keep this together. How about we go, I don't know, let's see what happens. Let's do this, so the constructor will be public, is function, which is a method, right? Oops, space, constructor. What is it I'm trying to do? Okay, I'm going to do like a object has been created. Do that. Okay. Let me just say this. I don't know this. We should do. No, oh, by the way, this is going to be a short video. What should we do? Well, object has been created. Then we can say. Should we say a word like we got one type right here? How about we do something like what is it? Sometimes when you do like these type of loading, you see this is very close. Sometimes I don't know. It's confused. Let me try to do it here. I guess I can say you can assign it. You can assign time values. Let's say this is a case. Let's see if we know. Oh man, I think my air condition is on. Did I misspell anything here? Okay, so far so good. This is no good. What's going on here? Oh. We died. Let's see. Okay. Alright, so we're going to assign that to that, that to that, and what else can we do? Oh, yeah, let's do the destructor. I'm going to say public function destruct. Let's see, let's get that here. I'm going to say something like echo object has been destroyed. Let's spell that as how do we just put Nice quality, that's good. Oh man, what do we say? I would like to say, let's see what happens. I say, let me see something. We got, we have to limit. We can't use that same word. How about we say for? Because it would be confusing. Let's say prod dot for equals new Alright, so let's see. Wait a minute, we can't have this here. No, this could be there. Let's take all this out in one place. I'm looking at this, I'm like, wait a minute, how come this is different? Do that. This is what we're going to do here. This is what we're going to do. Perfect. So I'm going to write the color. Is there a problem? You see it? Oh, see that right there? Let's move it a little bit over. There you go. See it? Okay, so like that. Okay. Alright. I know it was a weird way. Let's see. Let's see what else. Oops, the page isn't working. Because it couldn't do this part right here. Because you can't assign. Let me see, where are we? We'll say that this won't work. One time you can't assign. Won't work. And of course this didn't work. Won't work. And the thing is that when we have look, properties cannot be assigned values from a runtime function. This is what this does. See, now it's giving me this stupid, well, at least this thing here. So if I went like this, let's move this out the way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then it will work, see? It doesn't, right? See how it's giving me the error? So it won't work. So if I wanted to get this thing here, see? There it goes. Oh yeah, see? When you do the, see right here? When I just, remember I told you that the start, once you do it, it runs this guy. Where is it? It runs this guy. So this is what you see. Has been created. But if you do, since it ran this and it's already finished, right? Because this is like, it runs this, and now that it's finished, it gives me this. And I know you're not seeing this because I need to push this up a bit. So we'll move this up a little bit like this, and you'll see it right there. What do we have? Spaces. What's that down there? What's this one? That doesn't matter. Anyway, so that's basically it. Once you do the construct, this does this, when you do this, and since it's already finished, this is finished, then you get this. But because she was trying to create a function like this, something that runs, it won't work. Let's see what I'll definitely die in my first one. It won't work. See? There you go. So if you're going to do stuff, you got to do it within the construct. And that's it. That's what I wanted to show you. That's it. Another, that could have been just another. What is it? Oh. That really bothers me. Just so weird. I have to be within the red gather or put it within this thing. That's okay. How about like this? Basically, that's it. There you go. So it's funny how I'm getting this now. Instead of giving me like more of a error. But that's probably become native when you create them. Anyway, this is it. I just want to show you that once you do this, it starts this, and that's what, and once it's completed, because the file is already completed, you're going to get this. This is what you see. That's what you see. See it? Anyway, we just reached the bottom of it. I just wanted to mention, let me see. Probably say some few things before we go. Maybe I'll just write some few things here. Just something so you can remember. We'll put it over here. We'll say the construct message will be, I should have put that up top. Will, like above the it's okay. It will be printed. Okay, so you can do this. It will be print. And then this one will go down here. And this one will be the destructor message. Let's say some other things. Let's see. I'm going to say that other important magic methods we will discuss. Let's put this here. And then remember, these methods are special, right? That's why they call them magic method, because they override the default action when a non-existent or inaccessible property is accessed, or if an assigned, like in other words, if you do like right here, come up with something, say, we talked about this, remember we said this, empty because over here you don't have anything other than these guys, then I can say something like, oh no, okay. And what happens is, once you do that, the set the get for hello, both of these will be called. When you're setting something, the set will be called, and when you're getting something like, hey, I'm going to call this, I'm going to get that, I'm going to do this for you. So you'll see what I mean. I'll kind of break it down a little more. I don't know, man. Did I talk about this? We'll do that in a future lesson. Maybe we can do it on the, maybe we'll do it on the, what is this? This one happens to be, what is it? F. So we'll do, what is F, G? We'll do it on the G. And then we'll talk about the magic function. Gone through all of them again. Anyway, I just put that out right now. I'm going to get through any details with this stuff because I'm going to be showing you that in the next video. Anyway, we reached the bottom. Please give me a like, subscribe, or say something. Give me a comment. Say, hey, you suck. I need to improve. I'm going to do my best. Maybe give me some ideas. Anyway, thank you very much and good night.